I'm here with Susan Stewart, founder and principal of Decisions in Care, a leading guardianship and geriatric care management firm in Albuquerque. Today we're discussing the warning signs to look for when a senior family member needs additional support or care. Susan, what are some of these warning signs?
Well, initially somebody might notice that their loved one is having difficulty with hygiene. They may forget how to bathe or when to bathe. Sometimes they don't change their clothing. They might be resistant to change their clothing or wear clothing that has food on it. They may have difficulty with ambulating. They may have increased falls. This can be important because it can indicate health issues potentially. There could be concerns with that person's environment. Sometimes they will not clean the house as they have been able to historically. They may start to exhibit some hoarding behavior. And sometimes their nutritional habits will change. Their appetite may be decreased. They may just prefer to eat sweets. Sometimes alcohol can become an issue if the person has forgotten that they already had alcohol and they may overconsume alcohol. There can be concerns with medications. A person may take duplicate prescriptions, may take too much medication, or not take their medication when it's been prescribed. Sometimes we will notice that there are dents in the person's car. They may have difficulty with driving. They may be driving differently than they were able to historically. Sometimes their bills are not being effectively paid on time, and there could be scams that that person is involved with, whether that be sweepstakes or solicitors calling over the phone. Commonly, if a person starts to exhibit memory problems, they can become more isolated in their home, and that can lead to a whole variety of other problems.